Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a brand new Nintendo DIY focused around graduating, specifically those graduating with their master's degrees. Let me know in the comments below if you'll be graduating with your master's degree and what you'll be graduating in. So if you follow me on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you'll know that I have a boyfriend named Jason who is currently going for his master's degree as a nurse, and I wanted to make him a very special necklace that shows off the fact that not only is he amazing and graduating, but he actually also loves Pokemon. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make the Master Ball Pokeball Pokemon necklace. It's really easy. Of course, all materials will be listed down below in the description. However, before we jump into the Nintendo DIY, of course, we have to give a huge shout out to our sponsor. Our sponsor is, of course, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online community where you can learn anything, ranging from thousands of classes such as lifestyle photography, graphic design, and more, including my personal favorite, fine art. So I highly recommend that you guys check out Intro to Procreate, Illustrating on the iPad by Brooke Glaser. It is a neat way to really understand Procreate, and I know learning a new program can be very daunting, but I make all of my Nintendo DIYs, nerd DIYs on my iPad using Procreate. So Skillshare has helped me a lot when it comes to learning new programs. The first 1,000 people to use the link down below in my description will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership, and after that it's only 10 bucks a month. Thank you so much, Skillshare, for sponsoring this video and many other videos on my channel. A last huge thank you to you and all the viewers for continuing to watch my Nintendo DIYs and nerd DIYs. If you are graduating this year, a pat on the back to you and a huge congratulations. So anyways, let's jump back into this Nintendo DIY and I hope you guys enjoy.
All this time, tell me, can't you feel my feelings for you have always been real? Now after all this time, tell me, can't you feel? Tell me, can't you feel?
Alright guys, let's get this Nintendo DIY started. Of course, as usual, all materials are listed down below in the description with their Amazon link, so you can get the exact materials I used in this video. The most important element of the most important element of this Nintendo DIY is, of course, the Epoxy Sculpt. It's a two-part resin that hardens like concrete, and you'll need to use this in order to make those raised details. If you want to make a regular Pokeball, you just have to paint these as they are. However, of course, we're making the coolest lei that you can have for your graduation, which of course is the Master Ball, especially if you're graduating with a master's degree. Again guys, let me know in the comments below if you'll be graduating this year, and even better if you'll be graduating with a master's. So once you've mixed the Epoxy Sculpt together, which is the clay and the hardener, it's time to split that piece in half to make those two circles on top of the Master Ball. So keep in mind that it takes a full 24 hours for this clay to fully cure. However, for something this small, it'll take about 1 to 2 hours for this to harden. Afterwards, you can sand it down and then begin to paint. Keep in mind, when it comes to painting the Master Ball, I highly recommend that you use blue painter's tape to outline the purple, or you can do what I'm doing, which is eyeing it. Just keep in mind that I am a very confident painter, so if you're not very confident in your painting skills, again, I highly recommend that you use blue painter's tape. If you plan on using blue painter's tape, just make sure that the tape sticks and adheres to the surface very well. Next step is to paint the bottom white. So keep in mind, I feel like white takes several layers, just like any paint in general. So wait for each layer to dry before you add another one. And of course, the more layers you add, the better it's going to turn out. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I have all of the materials listed down below in the description, including my social media, so if you happen to make any Nintendo DIY or nerd DIY, don't forget to send me pictures. I would love to see it on my Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook. Hashtag it Nintendo DIY or nerd DIY. If you want to see more DIYs in general, do not forget to like this video, comment down below what is your favorite Pokeball, and more importantly, subscribe. So the next part is of course grabbing a maroon-like red, and you want to apply that to the 2 circles on top. Just be very careful, and of course if you're not confident, feel free to use painter's tape and cover the purple before you put the red. So keep in mind that the last 3 steps are pretty difficult, so feel free to use as many reference pictures as possible, but with the thinnest brush that you have, you'll be making those black lines, including the black dot in the middle. So if you happen to mess up, do not worry. You can always fix it by just applying the color that's needed in that area. Luckily, when it comes to making leis for graduation, they can be made out of basically anything, and usually they are really big, and luckily these wooden beads are huge. So making a mistake isn't too bad, it's easily fixable, but when it gets to making charms, you can imagine how difficult that can be. So the next step can be done 2 ways. You can either paint the M, which is very difficult, or you can try the easiest way, which is going down below in the description, checking out my Pinterest or the Google Drive provided in the links below. Download the free Master Ball sheet and print it out at home on sticker paper, cut it out with an X-Acto, and place it on your Master Ball. If you definitely aren't of age, please ask your older brother, sister, mom, or dad to help you out with the X-Acto. Once you've painted about 26 Master Balls, it's time to put it on the string. So the string I'm using is pretty thick. I will list it down below in the description. The easiest way to put these beads through the string is actually putting tape at the end, then cutting that tape at an angle. Leis can be basically made out of anything, so you don't have to make 26 Master Balls. However, definitely fill that space with extra beads, flowers, or my personal favorite, money. Either way, your graduate is going to love this idea. It's going to be unique, and no one else at their graduation is going to have this. Thank you so much to all the Amiibros for the support. Don't forget to show me your DIYs on my social media, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Hashtag it Nintendo DIY, nerd DIY. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below what is your all-time favorite Pokeball, and of course, subscribe for more Nintendo DIYs. Feel free to continue watching this video to see all the various different types of Pokeballs that I could find in the Pokemon world. Again, let me know which one is your favorite, and I'll see you guys next time.
My feelings for you have always been real. Now after all this time, tell me, can't you feel? My feelings for you have always been real. Now after all this time, tell me, can't you feel? Tell me, can't you feel? Tell me, can't you feel? Tell me, can't you? Tell me, can't you? Tell me, can't you feel? Now it's more the more of me, the more you are. Now it's more the more of me, the more you are. Now it's more the more of me. My feelings for you have always been real. Now after all this time,